how to save favorite orders from quick reordering on Shake Shack. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save your favorite Shake Shack orders online so you can reorder them quickly anytime. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with a credential and here once you are on the main dashboard, you can then just add the items you want to save to on your card and then pick your favorite burgers, fries or shake, whatever you love. And before checking out, you have to look for the option Save as Favorite in your card and give your order a name like Friday Treat or Burger Combo and then just click on Save. And with that, now anytime you want the same meal, then you can just go to the favorites in your account and find your saved order and then click reorder. It's that simple. No need to select items individually every time. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.